So Canary has filed a spot ETF application for HBAR. So we're going to talk about that in this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get into it here. So we can see that Hedera, let's 1 second here, HBAR has been responding very well to this news, up almost 12% in the last 24 hours, and continuing to just kind of climb a little bit there as well, sitting in the 6.5 cent range. So what does this actually mean, and who has filed? So Canary is the one that has filed. Canary is known for being led by founder Stephen McClurg. He's previously founded Valkyrie Funds and is known for launching other crypto ETFs as well. Canary Capital previously introduced HBAR Trust for accredited investors. I actually covered that on another video. And it has filed for spot ETFs for Litecoin, Solana, and XRP. So they submitted their X1 filing. The Canary HBAR ETF aims to provide investors with exposure to the value of HBAR's native asset. The ETF will hold only HBAR tokens directly without relying on derivatives or futures contracts. And it says that the filing did not list a custodian or administrator for the ETF. And the SEC approval decision is still pending. So we probably won't get anything back on that for a bit, but that's pretty much what's going on there. So let's go over and we're going to take a look at some developments from HBAR. We got some new data based on quarterly data. Q3 basically has had a big surge, even though the price had stayed fairly stagnant, actually declined a lot. The price has gone down quite a bit over Q3. So it posted a solid set of third quarter results still, even though despite the downturn. The circulating market cap fell about 21% quarter over quarter to about 2.2 billion in Q3, dropping HBAR's market rank from 30th to 46th among all cryptocurrencies. So even though despite the price corrections, Hedera has achieved substantial revenue milestones. From network transaction fees reached an all-time high of about 27 million HBAR in Q3, which was about an 85% increase from the previous quarter. This surpasses the prior record set in Q4 of 2023. So Hedera's consensus service was a significant contributor, with revenue increasing 94% quarter over quarter, accounting for 89% of the network's total revenue. So Hedera, even despite, like I mentioned, despite the downturn in the market, despite the the depreciating price, it is still depreciating is not the right word. Despite the negative price action, it's still managed to basically come back and record some great quarters there. So, things are definitely looking up for Hedera. I think, the addition to this new ETF could be something that helps propel the price, in my opinion, because I think my cat's being a jerk and he's throwing me right off. Come here. This is what I have to deal with when I'm making videos. But he's purring. Yeah, so this is Tank, and he can be a jerk. So go over there and be a jerk. All right, so sorry about that, guys. You met my cat anyways, so he's kind of drawing my attention, so I do apologize. I'm just kind of stuttering in this video a little bit. So Hedera, new ETF. I think this is great. Canary has a great track record, especially just, given the leadership in that company there with the Valkyrie representative there. So that's really good. I think that this is going to be a good thing for Hedera, but we do need to see a little bit more coming from the project, in my opinion. I think, we started off this year with, massive partnerships and massive, announcements and things like that. And it's kind of died down a little bit. I'm kind of hoping that they are going to pull off something big here for the last quarter of 2024. And so I'm waiting patiently to see what happens. They're definitely out there networking. Like I've mentioned before, they do a ton of networking. They're out there at conferences and making partnerships and talking to various different organizations. So I think, we're definitely going to hear from them before the end of this year. That's just my opinion. So we'll see what happens from there. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.